Kia ora, welcome back. Kia ora, welcome back. In this video we venture into Wellington to see a bit of its sights.
Yeah, we stayed at a couple of places in Wellington. One was a park over property in Brookland, which was perfect location. It was a couple of k's down the road from a birthday party we were attending, so that was great.
And the second one was the NZMCA park in Plympton. We were having a service done on our caravan and it's right next door to the place we're having the service, so pretty perfect. And then we went into Wellington, explored the sights. Enjoy! Coming up to where we're staying. I suppose it's the driveway with a few garages.
Destination is on the left.
Here we go. Right in there. There. Bit bumpy. And here we are. Cool. We're at Fido Bay.
Fido Bay.
Wellington.
Yeah, quite nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice.
We're staying just down the road, which is
Yeah.
quite cool with a park over property.
Quite a few seagulls who are about to disturb, I'd say. There we go. Oh no. You said that I was all you'd ever want. You said that we were fine.
This is another friend campsite. I think it's a Fido Bay, that's what it's called.
Yeah.
Right by the Red Rocks. There's cars here. There's a few buses and caravans and things here.
Yeah.
We'll definitely put this on our list to stay because the water is just there, so pretty idyllic. Here we are at the Freeway Leisure and RV Centre, right next door to the Plympton NZMCA park. We are going to have our first service on our caravan. Nothing beats Welly on a good day.
Lovely, isn't it? What's this, a Friday, 10 o'clock?
Yep.
Not too much traffic. Lovely day, beautiful clear water. Doesn't get any better, does it?
No, it's really nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Beautiful blue sky.
We're going to pull over shortly and you're going to have a drive. No? It's over now.
Okay, here we are in Wellington on a Monday morning, the 1st of November, and it's my birthday!
Yes, it is.
Yay! 51 years old today, woohoo! Don't know where that time's gone, but anyway, we're just off to have some brekkie at the Spruce Goose, which is just by the airport, and then we're going to venture off to the Welly workshop and go for a tour. How are you?
Yeah,
Yep.
good. Looking forward to it.
Cool. We are just about to go through the Mount Vic Tunnel.
Yes.
Doo, doo, doo.
Yeah. Built in 1931.
quite often when you go through here, people toot, don't they?
Yeah.
Give us a toot. Yep. Cool. Awesome. This is really cool going through here. I think there's about 3 tunnels that I know of anyway in Wellington that you go through. So we'll try and get a bit of a pic of each tunnel. I love tunnels. I just think they're awesome. Actually staying at the Plumpton NZMCA motor camp, but just in here, just in there is quite a cool freedom camp right on the water. I think we might try that next time, eh Greg?
Yeah.
So here we're coming up to the Spruce Goose. One of the reasons we like it is it's right by the airport and by the sea, so it's got everything going for us. We are coming into the Weta Cave, about to go on our tour of the Weta Workshop. Cool. There's all some things there. Ooh. Yeah. So all these models here are just made from tin foil, just all scrunched together, and then they do like a paper mache over the top. Just means that it's really cheap to make and it's really light to handle. Next we ventured into the Thunderbird studio. Unfortunately we couldn't take a lot of video in here as it's copyright. But Greg did get to live out his lifelong dream of sitting in Thunderbird 2. Thunderbirds are go. F-A-B.
So here we are on the train this evening. Not very busy. What do we need to tell everybody about the Wellington trains?
No, boss.
No gift boss on the train, cash only. So we have the mad dash to the Foursquare to get some cash.
To buy some mints.
Yeah, must have cash for the Wellington trains. And no need to reserve a seat at the moment because it's a bit quiet. But quite a good view of the sea, as you can see.
I didn't know you were right behind me. So we've been out for tea tonight in Wellington and now we're going to catch a train back to Plumpton. Really handy service. Basically we had to walk 5 minutes to our restaurant and now we're catching the train back to Plumpton and it's probably only been a half an hour ride. Awesome. It's good there.
Righto, so we're pretty relaxed travellers, so we used to book the early ferry so we could get down there and do our holiday and lean forward. Now we book the 2 o'clock in the afternoon ferry, so it's nice and relaxed and all the time in the world.
Yeah.
Only this time
it was cancelled
due to mechanical. something broke.
And our sailing is at 9:15 in the morning, and so we had to get up at 6 to get here, just because we thought traffic was going to be a nightmare. It wasn't. It was plain sailing.
Yeah, it was,
so we got here early, so we've been waiting here probably an hour and a half. 8:35 now, and it's supposed to sail at 8:45. Can't see that happening.
No, there's a lot of people to get on before then.
Lots of caravans and motorhomes actually today.
Yeah, there's a huge amount for a Tuesday.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Not a special Tuesday either. So when we go on the ferry and have a dog on board, we get this little ticket here saying we've got a kennel booked, and just so they know to direct us in the right place when we get on the Inter-Islander.
and it's usually we're on first too, aren't we?
Yeah, usually, and usually in a good position too, but we'll see.
What a holly dog.
And here we are in Picton in the South Island. Yeehaw! Won't be coming off. We had the Kaitaki, was it, Greg?
Yep.
And it's the ferry that you drive on and you drive off in the same direction, so no terrible turns or anything. You basically just go straight in, straight out. It was awesome driving, wasn't it, Greg?
Yeah, fantastic. Easy as. First time never been in the South Island.
It is too. First time been on the ferry, yeah, exactly.
Think she liked it.
Yeah, I think you'll find it all went pretty well.